Welcome. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So this guide is for those who have access to their accounts. Now if you don't have access to your account, if you don't remember your PIN, then you'll have to check our other video on how to install Windows from USB. Now we have several of them on our channel, so go check them out. But if you have full access to your account and just want to perform factory reset, the first thing you'll have to do is press start, then go to the settings, then select system settings, then scroll down until you see the recovery tab, click on it, then select reset this PC. And right now you'll have two options. Choose which one you like the most. The first one is keep my files. It basically doesn't do anything to your system, just resets your settings and apps. And remove everything is basically a factory reset option that removes all your personal files, apps and settings at once. It also takes a little bit longer, but it's probably the thing that you're looking for. Now in this step you'll either have to choose if you're connected to the internet, you'll see two options like I do, which are cloud download and local reinstall. And if you want to reinstall your Windows from cloud, this will take a lot longer. But if your Windows is corrupted and you don't think you have proper files on your PC to reinstall your Windows, then go with the cloud download for sure. But if you just want to perform a factory reset, then go with the local reinstall. And right now you also have to tap on this button and decide if you want to clean your data completely. If you click on that, this will take a lot more time, but it might be an option that you want to go with, because it will remove all your data and it will make it harder to recover it. So you might click yes, but I will go with no, because I don't want this video to be that long. Now decide if you want to reinstall Windows from this device, or you'd want to download it from the clouds and reinstall. I'll go with the reinstall Windows from this device option. Now click confirm and then click next. And before you do that, make sure that your PC is plugged in to your charging device, because you don't want your computer to discharge while performing factory reset. Now click next, and I think from now on we'll just have to press reset and wait for the factory reset to complete. And that's it. Once you see the screen, that means that the reset has been completed. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.
Set up your device.